This is a mountain, but take a look closer. Concrete on stones, metals on soil, pipes where rivers once ran. In Hong Kong, we have reshaped our mountains, reinforced them, rebuilt them. We call this control. But what happens when the boundary between human and nature becomes unclear?
你係咪成日嚟呢度㗎？
其實都會嘅，其實每個禮拜左右都可能嚟一次啦，或者其他有時收工啦，有時想休息下嗰陣都會過嚟行下咁樣。
即係呢度都係你即係可能攞嚟做一個休息啊嘅地方咁樣。
會啊會啊，例如可能收完工有時覺得好攰，翻工壓力大咁啊，過嚟呢度行下咁，可以起碼可以逃離呢個社會咁樣啦，可以遠離啲煩囂啦，可以輕鬆下睇下山、睇下樹、睇下雀仔咁樣，個人可以放鬆下心情咁樣咯。
好，多謝晒你。
Control or compromise?
So, what's your take on this place? All this concrete and the people? So you are okay with this?
Perhaps control is not the right word. More like stewardship. We shape the mountain, and in return, the mountain shapes us. We give it stability, it gives us peace. We give it structure, it gives us life. The mountain is not what it once was, but what it is now is something new, something neither fully human nor fully nature. Something that asks us to see control not as domination, but as responsibility. The mountain remembers what it was and what it could be. So do we.